Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out the 2019 Wallace Gromit 50p coin, which is the Brilliant Uncirculated edition. And this is the packaging that it arrives in, front and back. And before we go more into detail about it, let me just do my usual thing where I take it out of the packaging so that if you've actually bought this coin yourselves and want to see how it's all presented, and on top of that, all of the information that you get inside, then here we go. So the first thing you'll notice is the part that actually holds the coin has already come apart, and there's a reason for that, and we'll get more into that in a second. But we'll start off by having a look at all the information you get. So I'm just going to scan along everywhere. We'll start on this side, and as usual, if I'm moving too quickly, feel free to pause and read at your own pace. Some information there. Then if we come back around to this side, we've got a little bit more. So this is like kind of interactive packaging, and I have already read the instructions, so I already know what to do. And you'll notice that in the center here, there's a magnet. That'll become more apparent in a second. So that's basically it for all the information you get, apart from the instructions on the packaging, which are there. And I'll show that off in a second. And then we got the coin specs. So the denomination is 50p. The alloy is copper nickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters, the quality is Brilliant Uncirculated, Obverse designer Jody Clark, reverse designer Nick Park. Okay, so I'm just going to do what the instructions have already told me to do with regards to the packaging. So bear with me, I might speed this up just whilst I do that. Okay, so I've done exactly what the instructions said. So I folded those at the back so that it rests like so. And then as you can see, what I've done is folded the front part out like that. And then what happens is the coin holder, you can't see it, but there is a magnet in the back here somewhere. And therefore, the coin just sits like that. So if I just show off how that looks sideways, first of all, oh well, it turns because of the magnet. So turn it back round, and then if I hold it up, you'll see that it just like sticks out. So that's pretty cool. So with that shown off, let's actually take this away and have a look at the coin itself. So we got there set coordinates for 62 West Wallaby Street. We'll start off by having a look at the obverse of the coin, 2019 JC. And now let's have a look at the reverse of the coin. So look at that, how cool is that? Let me just see if I can zoom in a bit more here, get it a bit better in the light. That is awesome. I love it. And for anybody that doesn't know already, I did say on the silverproof coin, this is the Latin for cracking cheese. So that is really, really, really cool. Let me just zoom back out and get everything back in. So there we go. Let me know in the comment section below, have you got this Brilliant Uncirculated coin? And if so, have you taken it out of the packaging, and are you displaying it the way that it should be? Let me know about that in the comment section below. But I'm also really interested to know if anybody got the silver proof and how many of you got the gold proof. Let me know in the comment section below, because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.